Carolyn got a new toy today and she wanted to bring it outside for a walk. She was very upset when I said we couldn't go outside. Sorry. Good job. Uh-oh. I'll pick him up. Honey, you need a new butt? Let's go. Okay. Let's bring Doggy back then so we can change your butt. Come on. Come follow Mama. Hey. Hey.